Good morning to all. We are in chapter 6 Factors and Multiples. We have done exercise 6.1. Today we will start exercise 6.2. Question number first. Find the LCM by factorization method. Here LCM means lowest common multiple. Now question number first is 14 and 28. So here first we will find the factor of 14. 14 will divide by 2. How many times? 7 times. Now 7 will divide by 7 1 time. Now 28 also we have to do same. Factor of 28 we have to find. 28 will divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 4 ja 8. Now the number is 14. 14 will divide by 2. Then answer will come 7. Now 7 will divide by 7. The answer will come 1. Now 14 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 and 28 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now factor 2 is coming maximum 2 times and 7 is coming maximum 1 time. 2 is coming maximum 2 times and 7 is coming maximum 1 time. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Because 2 is coming 2 times, so we will multiply 2 times, and 7 is coming 1 time means we will multiply 7 only 1 time. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 7 ja 28. That is your answer. Now see one more question. Question number 4. Here the numbers are given 40, 36 and 126. So first we have to find the factor of 40. 40 will divide by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 ja 0. Then 20 will divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 ja 0. Then 10 will divide by 2 5 times. Then 5 will divide by 5 1 time. Now again we have to find the factor of 36. 36 will divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2 1. 1 and 6 16. So 2 8 ja 16. Now 18 will divide by 2. How many times? 9 times. Now 9 will divide by 3. How many times? 3 times. Now 3 will divide by 3 1 time. Same here we have to find the factor of 126. Now it will divide by 2. 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6. Now 63 will divide by 3. 2 6 3 2 ja 6 and 3 1 ja 3. Now 21 will divide by 3. How many times? 7 times. Now 7 will divide by 7. How many times? 1 time. Now write all the factors. 40 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And 126 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now here factor 2 is coming maximum 3 times and 3 is coming maximum 2 times and 5 and 7 is coming maximum 1 time. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 3 times. Multiply 3 multiplied by 3. How many times? 2 times. Then 5 multiplied by 7. How many times? 1 times. Because 2 is coming 3 times, 3 is coming 2 times, and 5 and 7 is coming 1 time. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 3 ja 72, 72 5 ja 360, and 360 multiplied by 7, 2520. This is your answer. Do here multiplication very slowly and very nicely. Do by carefully this long multiplication. Now question number second, find the LCM by division method. Now this is the division method. Question number first is 28 and 56. So in division method we have to divide these both numbers together. So it will divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Here 2 2 ja 4, 5 minus 4, 1, 1 and 6, 16. So 2 8 ja 16. Now again 14 and 28. It will divide by 2. 2 7 ja 14. And here 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Now again it will divide by 2. 7 will to not divide 2. We have to write 7. And 14 will divide by 2. How many times? 7 times. Now it will divide by 7. This number will divide by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 1 ja 7. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 7 ja 56. That is your answer. Here we have to do direct. Both number we have to take. Now see one more question. Question number 4. 180, 184, 144. Again we have to take all the three numbers together and we have to do division together. So it will divide by 2. 2 9 ja 18, 2 0 ja 0, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. Now again it will divide by 2. 2 4 ja 8, 9 minus 8 1, 1 and 0 10, to 2 5 ja 10. 2 4 ja 8, 9 minus 8 1, 1 and 2 12, to 2 6 ja 12. 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6 1, 1 and 2 12, to 2 6 ja 12. Now again it will divide by 2. 45 will not divide by 2 completely, therefore we have to write 45. Now 46 will divide by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Now 36 will divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2 1, 1 and 6 16, to 2 8 ja 16. Now again it will divide by 2. 45 will not divide, 23 will also not divide, and 18 will divide by 2. The answer will come 9. Now we have to divide this number by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 4 minus 3 1, 1 and 5 15, to 3 5 ja 15. Now 23 will not divide and 9 will divide by 3. How many times? 3 times. Now again we have to divide by 3. 3 15 divided by 3 5, and 23 will not divide, so we have to write 23, and 3 1 ja 3. Now we have to divide by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 23 will not divide, and here we have to write here only 1. Now we have to divide by the number 23. 1 will to not divide, 23 1 ja 23, and here also we have to write 1. So like that we have to divide from smaller number, lowest number we have to divide. 2 is the lowest number, then after 3, then after 5, then after 23. Now LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 4 times. Now multiply by 3 multiply by 3. How many times? 2 times. Then multiply by 5 multiply by 23. Now do here multiplication very slowly and very carefully. The answer will come 16,560. That is your answer. Do always multiplication very carefully. Now your homework, question number first, second and third, that we have to do by factorization method. And question number second and third we have to do by division method. First one factorization method and second one division method. Do by yourself.